Today, we're diving into Permaculture Solutions, a new show making a pretty bold promise.
And it's a huge question, right? But the host, Graeme Farrer, says absolutely, because he's actually lived it.
Exactly. And his story is, wow, we're talking about a seasoned expert facing a total life crisis. Yeah, Graeme Farrer, a guy with 40 years of hands-on horticultural experience under his belt. But get this, after all that time, his expertise just wasn't cutting it. 2012 became his personal hinge point. So professionally, he was successful, but his personal life was in total chaos. The old tools just weren't working. And that's when he needed a new perspective, which he found with his mentor, Wilf Richards. This is the core of it all. He discovered the most powerful tools weren't machines, but principles from nature. This new approach totally transformed everything. He went from personal chaos to building this incredible, thriving community.
Exactly. And now he's sharing that framework. This isn't just theory. It's an actionable plan every single week.
Yep, it's called the 3-2-1 Action Plan, and it's all about getting you real, tangible results. What's so great about this is how simple it is. I mean, it's just 3 really clear steps. Okay, so step 1, you filter every decision through 3 core ethics: earth care, people care, and fair share. Then, step 2, apply it to 2 zones, your inner self and 1 physical space, like your home or garden. And finally, step 3, you get 1 clear yield, a single, achievable goal to hit by next Friday. So that's the bridge, right? It takes these huge ecological ideas and turns them into a simple weekly practice. All right, so the new series kicks off March 13th, 2026. Here's how you can get ready.
Super simple. Follow Permaculture Solutions on Spotify and YouTube, and you can grab the book that started it all.
Look, the show gives you the tools. The only question left is, what are you going to build with them?